Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning.
Thank you,
Please
ma'am.
sit down. I am your new Assamese teacher. Today I am going to teach you lesson 6. This is a poem and the poem name is Bondar Biloi. You tell me, what do you mean by Bonda?
I don't know, ma'am.
Bonda means cat, means male cat, mota cat. First line is Nikhar Bhagot Nigoni Olal Kandot Julunga Ari. What do you mean by Zulunga? Zulunga means a bag. In one evening, a mouse carrying a bag on his shoulder and come out from hole in search of food. Bhoralor pora ki jani emuthi khutkon gutabo pari. Khutkon means what? Rice, lentils and etc. etc. Go to someone's storeroom so that he can collect some food. Okay, clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Bunda asil dulir arot sikar dhoriboloi ahar bisari pilinga nigoni tate ulalgo. That is a very bad luck for that Bonda cat. At that very moment, that Bonda is also hiding there in search of his food.
Ma'am, bhoral means what?
Bhoral means what? A large rice storage drum where we all keep our rice. Okay, that is called bhoral. So the Bonda is also hiding behind that drum. So what happened next? Khomukhote dekhi nikhar bhujon jibha kore lor for thap marute toranora singi nigoni marile lor. That means what? Seeing its dinner in front of his eyes, the Bonda's mouth is started watering. Water come from various parts of his mouth into his tongue. That Bonda pounced on the mouse, but the mouse ran even faster than that Bonda. So we come to the last stanza. Nigonik thorubuli bundai marile dighol jap sunor sorut pori bopurai horile babba. It means to catch the mouse anyhow, the Bonda chased after it even faster and faster and made a long jump. But the day was not lucky for that Bonda. Ask why? Instead of catch the mouse, he missed completely and fell down into a very large container of a lime powder. Okay? So, here the poem ends.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much.